Hello, this is Ike from Spotahome London, and today I am in East London. We are in Limehouse and we're only about an 8-minute walk away from the station, the Limehouse station that is, with the DLR line. Now it's a great location, especially if you are a working professional, as we have Bank, that's going to be 2 stops away, as well as Canary Wharf, and we also have a number of shops and restaurants as well as local supermarkets on the way to the station. Now, as for the area, if you are an outdoorsy person, you like to go and get a breath of fresh air, we do also have a canal not too far from here, no longer than a 2-minute walk, so that's also going to be a plus. Now, as for this apartment, we're going to be seeing 3 rooms. There are 3 in total, so let's go ahead and check them out. So here's just the entrance. So we're on the 1st floor balcony, and that's what the street looks like. And then to the right we'll have the steps. So as we enter the apartment, we're greeted by the corridor that wraps around to the right. We can see the 1st bedroom at the moment, but we'll see here first on the left, which is the toilet. So in the toilet we get the sink, window up above, as well as the toilet and shelving up above that. So that's what the ceiling looks like. We have the light up above. And now as for the corridor, we've got a standalone wardrobe there on the left. And all the way down we can see the 3rd bedroom. We've got the 2nd bedroom right next to the 1st one right here. And on the right we'll get the bathroom. So the bathroom, we've got the bathtub to the left, sink directly in front of us, and on the right we'll have the mirror with radiator and a handrail for you to perhaps hang your hand towel. So that's the bathroom. We'll see bedroom number 1 first. So this bedroom, absolutely spectacular. We've got the double bed, far left corner of the room. We've got a desk to the left of that. And then as we step inside and get a pan around, we can see the storage space with the chest of drawers as well as the standalone wardrobe. So inside of the wardrobe, a shelf up above, and then a rail underneath to hang your clothes. As for the chest of drawers, there are several drawers and they all have sufficient spacing. Now, as for this storage unit in the corner, what's very interesting about it is that we do also have a mirror as you pull it up. So that's always nice. A few extra drawers, just like the chest of drawers. So there's also a radiator along this wall. And then outside of the window we get a view of the trees, as well as the garden downstairs. So that's going to be another flat, of course. And then on this wall, we've got the shelf. So now moving on to the 2nd bedroom, bedroom number 2. This bedroom, just as fantastic as the last, features a double bed. We'll have a window with the similar view, radiator underneath that, and then chest of drawers behind the bed. So we've got 3 drawers in there, and then on the other side we'll get an identical set. So as for the spacing inside of this built-in wardrobe, you see it's sectioned off. We have the shelves on the right as well as on the top, and then a rail on the left to hang your clothes. So we'll just get a quick peek outside of the window. And next we'll see the storage space inside of the corridor. So inside of this door there's not really storage space, it's got the boiler behind that, so we don't really have too much space in there. However, on the other side we've got shelf up top, and space down below. So next we'll see the kitchen. This is it. It goes all the way down to the left. Absolutely incredible. So as for the appliances, we'll see the fridge and freezer directly to our right. Got the fridge up top, and then the freezer down below. Inside of this door, we've got the heater, as well as space for some cleaning products such as the dustpan and brush and broom. So there's also a lot of storage in the kitchen. We've got shelving, we've got some cabinets down below. And as for the appliances, we get the washing machine, microwave, sink, stove, and an oven underneath that. However, before we get to that half, we do have a dining table right here in the kitchen, so that's going to be great if you would like to eat. So a look of the kitchen from this area. So it also reveals the 2 storage spaces up above. So we've got some space there. And then all around, we've got some drawers, perhaps store some cutlery, or pots and pans and food up above. So the windows also let in a lot of extra light, which makes for a very inviting space. And next we'll see the bedroom. Third bedroom. So this bedroom, immediately we can see that it has its own balcony. So that's going to be through the glass doors to the right. We've got the double bed down to the left. And then we can see there's a radiator right in between that and the wall with the window above that. So the chest of drawers in this room, we got 6 drawers. They're quite wide. So you've got space there. And then as for the standalone wardrobe, we've got a mirrored door on one of the doors for a full-length mirror. And then that's what it looks like in there. And then there are shelves in the one on the right. So there's also a nightstand beside the bed, and then shelving in this corner over here. This room looks like that, and it also reveals the desk and chair down here. Finally, we have the balcony. So this balcony, we've got the chair down at the end, as well as down in front of the door, and then a view of the surrounding buildings. So that's been it for this 3-bedroom apartment in the Limehouse area. I've been Ike, and I hope you've enjoyed it. For more information, make sure to check out spotahome.com. Bye bye.